listener at welcome again sa my YouTube channel. At ang masasabi ko lang, madali lang yan, basta makinig ka lang. So by the way, for today's video, we're going to discuss these topics. First is changing equation from standard form to slope-intercept form and vice versa. Next is finding the slope of a line passing through points and grabbing the line that passes through given point and given slope. Oops! Again, sinasabi ko, madali lang yan, basta't kinig ka lang. So here we go. So finding the slope of a line passing through points. So the formula for finding the slope is we have m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So let's have an example. Determine the slope of a line given 2 points. 2 points. So we have negative 6 and 4 and negative 2 and 0. So here is the formula. So take note that our x sub 1 is negative 6. Then partner niya, that is y sub 1. So yung ordered pair na to, so let us. So ayan. So yung order na ganito, magpares or magpartner, this is x sub 1 and the other one is y sub 1. And then dito naman sa kabila, this is x sub 2 and then y sub 2. So ganun siya. X, y, x, y. x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so now let us substitute the given values to our formula. So here they are. So as you can see, our y sub 2 is 0 minus our y sub 1 is 4. And over our x sub 2 is negative 2 minus our x sub 1 is negative 6. So, don't forget to put their sign. So, yung 6 may negative pa siya. Diba? Ito, iba to dito. Isa. Okay? Kaya, input pa rin natin siya. Mukha na siyang equals. Okay, next is, let us simplify. So, syempre, unahin natin i-solve yung nasa numerator. What is 0 minus 4? And what is ayan siya. So, 0 minus 4, that is negative 4. And negative 2, since negative multiplied by negative, that is positive. Kaya siya naging positive 6. Kasi ito, negative multiplied by negative, that is positive. And, of course, ayan siya. So, negative 4, and then simplify natin yung denominator. Negative 2 plus 6 is 4. Okay? And to simplify this one, negative 4 divided by 4, applying the rules of integer, dividing unlike sign, it will become negative 1. Okay. So, next example, we have 4 over 4. So we have 4 over 4. We have 4 and 4 and we have 1 and 2. So these are the ordered pairs. So our x sub 1 is 4, our y sub 1 is 4, and x sub 2 is 1, and y sub 2 is 2. Okay, question. Pwede ba itong magkabaliktad yung x sub 2 at x sub 1? Yes, pwede. Siya din yung result na lalabas. Okay, but since andyan na tayo, mas organized kung yan na yun. Okay, so let us substitute the given values. So, sinubstitute na natin. Y sub 2 is 2 minus our y sub 1 is 4. Then next, x sub 2 is 1 minus x sub 1 which is 4. Next is, and siya. So, 2 minus 4 that is negative 2 and 1 minus 4 that is negative 3. And then, negative 2 divided by negative 3, applying the rules of integers again, dividing same sign, it will be equal to positive. That's why the result or the slope is 2/3. Okay, so that is how to find the slope of a line passing through points. Pag sinabing points, yun yung mga ordered pairs. Diba kapag may ordered pairs, nag-point ka dun sa ating Cartesian plane, kaya siya tinawag na points, through points. Okay, next. So, grabbing the line that passes through the given point and the given slope. So, in here, given yung points and then yung slope. Ang gagawin natin, i-graph natin. So, paano natin yun i-graph? Isa lang naman yung given point. So, ito. So, using the slope, makakabuo pa tayo ng isang point. Okay, so, paano yun? Ganito siya. Okay, so, first is, let us plot 1, 2. So, ipa-plot muna natin to. So, this is, for example, 1, and then 2. 1, 2. So, therefore, andito yung ating isang point. Now, saan natin makikita niyan? Yung isa pang point ay wala naman ng given. Okay, using our slope, makaka-find pa tayo or magagawa natin yung isang point para mag-graph natin. So, starting here sa point, which is 1 and 2, di ba ang slope natin is 1/3. So, as you can see, ang 1, this is the rise, tama? Rise over run. Okay, since rise siya, rise from the word rise, di ba? Pataas siya. So, ilang beses tayong tataas daw? That is 1. Okay, so start dun sa point, maghakbang tayo ng isa. So, dito. Okay, next. 3 yung run natin. Okay, take note na kapag positive ang slope, kapag sa run na tayo, going to right dapat tayo mag-run. Pero kapag negative yung slope, kapag nag-run tayo, going to left. Pero yung rise, walang nagbabago. Lagi lang tayong nag-a-up. Okay? So, since nandito na kanina tayo, ilang run tayo? 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, ibig sabihin, nandyan yung isang point. And then, let us connect the dots. So, ganun mag-graph ng line that passes through the given point and the given slope. Okay, so as you can see, kapag positive yung slope natin, okay, galing siya sa left lower corner, papunta siya sa right upper corner. Okay, magsisimula dito sa left lower corner, papunta siya sa right upper corner kapag positive yung slope. So, let us see naman kapag negative. Okay, so here is an example. So, again, of course, let us plot this ordered pair, 1 and 2. So, 1 and then 2, 1, 2. So, ibig sabihin, nandyan yung isang point. Next. So, mag-rise tayo ng isang beses. Lagi lang tayong mag-rise sa numerator. Kung ilan yung numerator, yun yung ilan na yung itataas natin. Starting dito sa na-plot natin. So, ilang beses? 1. So, nandito na yan. Next. Since ang slope mo ay negative, kapag mag-run ka, going to left ka mag-run. So, andito ka na kanina, mag-run ka 3 beses, going to left. So, 1, 2, 3. So, ibig sabihin, nandun yung isang point. And, connect the dots. Okay, so tignan mo naman kapag negative yung slope. Kapag negative yung slope, from right lower corner going to left upper corner. So, ganun yung graph ng line. Okay? Kapag yung slope is negative. Okay, let's have another example. How about this one? Negative 1 and 3. Okay, saan natin siya ipa-plot? So, negative dito sa side na to. Diba? This is negative 1 and then 3. Positive going up. 1, 2, 3. So, andyan yung ating dot. Okay, next. Since nandyan na, positive yung ating slope. Ilang beses tayong tataas? 2, 2. So, 1, 2. Next, ilang beses tayong mag-run? 3. And mag-go to right tayo kasi positive yung slope natin. So, 1, 2, 3. So, nandyan yung isang dot natin or yung point natin. So, that is the graph of this given point and slope. Okay, next. Okay, paano naman to? We have 2 and then negative 2. Okay, baka hindi nyo pa alam mag-plot. So, dito, mga positive to, 1, for example, 2. Dito, negative to, negative 1, negative 2. Then, yung pataas, positive ulit, 1, 2. And then dito, negative 1, negative 2. Okay, so, sa Cartesian plane yan. Okay, sa pag-graph or pag-plot ng points. Sa mga di nakakaalam, baka lang nung sinasabi. Okay, so first is, lagi tayo mauna sa x-axis, mag-plot. Okay, so sa x muna tayo, 2, positive. So this is 2. Next is negative 2. Okay, papunta tayo sa baba kasi negative. So it means to say, nandito yung isang point. Okay, next. Okay, starting sa point natin na to, we have a slope of negative 3. So kapag wala siyang denominator, automatically that is over 1. Okay? And since negative ang ating slope, so kapag sinimplify mo yan, syempre, negative 3 siya. Okay? So, ilang beses tayong tataas niyan? 3. So, 1, 2, 3. And then, ilang beses tayong mag-run? 1. Going to left kasi negative yung slope natin. So, dito. So, andyan yung isang point. And then, connect the dots. So, that is how to graph line that passes through given point and given slope. Next. Okay, paano naman kapag 0 ang ating slope? Okay, paano yan? So, first is, of course, ano ba yung mga fraction na may 0? Okay, pwedeng 0 over 1 or pwede ding 0 over 2 that is equal to 0. So, let us just use this one, 0 over 1, which is equal to 0. Okay? So, first, let us plot this one, 0 and 3. So, 0 and then 3. 1, 2, 3. So, it is located at the y-axis, upper y-axis. So, ayan siya. Next is 0. Gaya ng sinabi ko, yan nga yung mga mag-i-equal to 0 kasi need natin ng numerator and denominator para makapag-move yung ating slope para may isa pa tayong point. So, since that is 0 over 1, so starting from this, ilang beses tayong mag-up? 0. So, wala. Pero ilang beses tayong mag-run? Isa. Okay, so, isa. So, dito yung isa. So, ibig sabihin, kapag ang slope mo is 0, ang graph nun is magka-create ng horizontal line. Okay, take note. Kapag yung slope mo is 0, magka-create yun ng horizontal line. Okay, next. Paano naman kapag undefined? Okay, di ba ang undefined, kanina sa 0, yung 0 nasa numerator siya lagi. Okay? And then, kapag undefined naman, yung 0, magiging siyang denominator naman. That is why it is called undefined. So, for example, 2 over 0, 3 over 0, that is undefined. Pero kapag 0 over 1, 0 over 2, ganon, that is 0. Okay? So, yun yung pinagkaiba nila. Dito sa undefined, yung 0 is the denominator. Pero dun sa 0, 0 is the numerator. Okay, so let us use this example. Yan yung undefined natin na kinuha. So first, let us plot negative 2 and 0. So, negative 1, negative 2, and then dyan na yung point kasi 0 naman yung susunod. And next, undefined. Ayan na nga yung example natin ng undefined, which is 1 over 0. So, ilang beses tayong mag-rise? Isa. And then, magra-run pa ba tayo? Hindi na kasi 0 yung dito. So, andyan na yung isang point. And then, if you're going to connect these two points, magka-create tayo ng vertical line. So, it means, kapag undefined ang iyong slope, it means to say na yung magka-create mong graph or line is a vertical line. Okay, so, ganon mag-graph given yung point and given yung slope. Okay, next. Okay, so sa pag-change na tayo ng standard to slope-intercept and then slope-intercept to standard. Okay, so standard form, ang formula is we have ax plus by is equal to 0. Okay? Y plus pate equals charot. Ayan. So, ito yung mga example equation na naka-write sa standard form. So, we have x plus y is equal to 5. Ayan. 2x plus 3y equals 7. And so on and so forth. So, kung makikita mo, lahat dito, yung x natin or yung a natin, ayan, yung value ng a natin, kung mapapansin mo, lahat ng ito ay positive. Kasi as much as possible, kailangan ang value ng a natin kapag nasa standard form ay positive. And kailangan hindi siya fraction. Kailangan siya ay whole number. Okay? As much as possible. That is on how to convert sa standard form. Next, sa slope-intercept form naman tayo. Pag sa slope-intercept form, we have y is equal to mx plus b. Okay? So, our m here is our slope and b is the y-intercept. Example. So, we have y is equal to 1/2 x plus 3. We also have y is equal to 3x minus 2. Y is equal to x plus 5. And y is equal to 3/4 x plus 7. And y is equal to 5x minus 2. So, these are an example of slope-intercept form. Okay. So, kapag naka-slope-intercept form, mas madali tayong makaka-find ng value ng m at value ng b. So, in this given example, sa number 1, ito yung ating m. Okay? That is 1/2. Kung ano yung kasama ni x, that is the value of m or the slope. Okay, pag sinabing value, we're talking about the number. So, hindi mo na kailangan pang isama si x. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan isama si x. Kunwari sa exam, find the value of m, tapos nilagay mo 1/2 x. This is wrong. Okay? Kailangan 1/2 na lang yung kunin mo. And what is the value of your b? Ito siya. Plus 3 or positive 3. Next, dito sa kabila, what is the value of m mo dito? That is 3, yung kasama ni x. Okay? And then, the value of b, we have, okay, siguro may magsasabi 2. No, it's not 2. It's negative 2. Okay, so the value of your y-intercept or b is negative 2. Okay? So dito, yung x, kapag naka-y is equal to mx plus b or slope-intercept form, yung mx mo, pwede siyang maging negative. Pero sa standard form, ang a mo, hindi, as much as possible, hindi siya pwedeng mag-negative. Kailangan positive. Okay? So that is slope-intercept form and standard form. Now, let us rewrite the given equation in the form y is equal to mx plus b or the slope-intercept form. So first, we have 2x plus y is equal to 5. So dito sa may blue na nakapaligid, dito ko itutursin yung pag-transpose. Yung pag nagta-transpose ka, nag-iiba yung sign. So that's it. Then sa kabila, yung pag-eliminate naman yung gagawin natin, which is pareho lang naman yung way. Parehas lang naman, pero kasi minsan may mga nalilito kapag nagta-transpose. So, meron kayong alternative solution na pwedeng gamitin. Okay, so first is, ayan, 2x plus y is equal to 5. Since, ipo-form natin siya into slope-intercept form, laging may iwan si y sa kabilang side. So, we need to transpose 2x dito sa side na to. Ano ba yung mga sinasabi kong side? Ito yung isang side. Okay, ang naghati sa kanila is yung equal symbol. Okay, so this is the first side and then ito yung isa pang side. Okay, so transpose natin si 2x dun sa kabila and then as you can see, nadaanan niya yung ating equal symbol. Ito, equal symbol. So from positive, magiging siyang negative. So ganito yung magiging itsura niya. So y, diba? Transpose natin. So y is equal to 5 minus 2x. And since dapat x muna yung nandito bago yung y-intercept, so ibig sabihin, itong 5 minus 2x, pwede natin silang pag-switch ng position. So magiging ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. So yung negative 2x plus 5, hindi siya pwedeng maging, kunwari, 2x minus 5. Magkaiba yon. Kasi, ang sign ni 5, that is positive kapag wala kang nakikita. So, ito, yung sign naman ni 2x is negative. So, kailangan isama mo yung sign niya. That's why it become negative 2x and then plus 5. Okay? Next. So, paano naman yung sinasabi kong hindi mag-transpose? Ito yung nag-add ka both sides ng variable na i-eliminate natin. Okay, for example, this one. 3x plus y is equal to 7. Ano ba dapat ang kailangan natin eliminate para maging itsura siyang y is equal to mx plus b? Of course, yung 3x. Okay, kailangan natin siyang eliminate. So, since this is positive 3x, you need to get the opposite of positive 3x. Ano ba yung opposite ng positive? It's negative. And then, syempre, since 3x siya, negative 3x yung opposite niya. And then, nag-add ka dyan, naglagay ka dyan ng negative 3x sa isang side, ibig sabihin, kailangan din natin maglagay ng isa pang negative 3x sa kabilang side. Okay, that is negative 3x. Okay, now, syempre, pwede na natin tong i-cancel yung negative 3x plus 3x. Bakit? Kasi 0 yan. Okay? So, ang naiwan na lang is y is equal to 7 minus 3x. And then, gaya ng ginawa natin kanina dito, ipag-switch natin sila. Pero, kailangan kasama yung sign. Ito, pag wala kang nakikitang sign, this is positive. So, magiging itsura niya is negative 3x plus 7. So, that is your final answer. Okay, paano naman kapag pinahanap yung value ng m at saka value ng b? So, dito, ang value ng m natin, it's, ayan, kapag sinabi kong value, it's number at saka yung sign niya. Okay, this is negative 2. And ang value ng b mo or the y-intercept is 5. Okay, mas madali maghanap talaga kapag naka-y is equal to mx plus b siya. Okay, how about this one? Ano yung m natin? It's negative 3. And ang b naman natin is positive 7. Of course, yung positive, hindi mo na siya kailangang lagyan kasi automatic na yon or understood na yon na positive siya. Okay. Next. Okay. What if we have 3y plus x is equal to 0? Okay. So, first is, let us transpose x to the other side. So, Ayan siya. So, transpose natin siya. So, kaya siya naging negative x. From positive, naging siyang negative x. Okay, next. Kailangan walang kasama si y. Therefore, let us remove or eliminate yung 3. So, let us divide both sides by 3. And then, cancel na nun si 3. Cancel na nun si 3. So, the answer is, and then, kapag ano to, di ba, merong 1 dyan, automatic. Kapag may invisible 1 dun sa x, kapag wala kang nakikitang number. Okay, so therefore, our answer is y is equal to negative 1/3 x. So, dito, kung makikita natin, wala siyang value ng b. So, ang b mo is equal to 0. And ang m mo, of course, that is negative 1/3. Okay, so ganun mag-find ng slope at saka y-intercept din kapag nasali sa exam or quiz. Okay, how about this one? We have 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. So, kung titignan mo pa lang, walang slope to kasi wala kang nakikitang x. But, kailangan pa rin natin siyang i-write in the form y is equal to mx plus b. So, ayan. So, transpose natin si negative 7 sa kabila. So, that is 3y is equal to positive 7. And let us divide both sides by kung ano yung kasama ni y. Kailangan kasi 1 lang si y or mag-isa lang ni y. So, divide both sides by 3. And y is equal to 7 over 3. So, pag pinag-find sa'yo yung m is equal to 0. And ang b is equal to, ayan siya, 7 over 3. Again, kapag ang slope mo is 0, ano mag-create ng line that is horizontal line. At kapag undefined naman siya, vertical line. Okay. Next. Okay, rewrite the given equation pa rin in the form y is equal to mx plus b. So, we have, ayan, let us transpose x to the other side. So, ayan siya. From positive yung x, naging siyang negative x. Ayan siya. And then, iswitch natin yung 2 tsaka negative x. So, magiging siyang negative x plus 2. And then, let us divide both sides kung ano yung kasama ni y. And that is 3, 3, 3. Or pwede din naman yung negative x plus 2 all over 3. Pwede din yun. Or pwede din naman yung kanyan. Okay? So, y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 2/3. So, ang value ng m mo is negative 1/3 and ang value ng b mo is 2/3. Next. Okay, paano naman dito yung isang strategy natin ng pag-solve? So, we need to add the opposite of x, which is negative x, and then sa kabila din is negative x. So, cancel na nun yung negative x plus x kasi this is already 0. So, ang naiwan, we have 3y is equal to 2 minus x. And then, switch natin yung 2 minus x, magiging siyang negative x plus 2. Next step is divide both sides by 3. Ayan. Ayan. So, parang parehas lang dito sa kanina. Ayan. So, the answer is, of course, parehas lang. Next. Okay. So, from slope-intercept form naman na tayo to standard form. Okay. Paano naman itong ganito? Okay. So, kung makikita nyo, so we have y is equal to 1/3 x plus 5. There is a fraction. And of course, yung fraction, meron siyang denominator. So, ang gagawin natin dun sa denominator, since mag-isa lang naman siya, ipandi-divide natin yon both sides. So, dun sa y at saka dun sa kabila din. Okay. So, ganito yan. So, eto, di ba, may over 1. Kaya sinabi kong divide. So, 3 divided by 1, of course, that is still 3. Times y, it become 3y. And then next, pakita ko paano lang na-solve para ano. Okay, next is 3 divided by 3. Of course, cancel na yun. That is 1. Times 1, 1 pa din. Times x, that is x. Next is 3. Of course, over 1 yun, di ba? So, 3 times 5 na lang, that is 15. Okay, next is i-transpose natin si x sa kabila. Okay, so negative x plus 3y is equal to 15. And then, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, as much as possible, si x dapat, or yung a dapat sa standard form is not negative. That's why, kailangan natin siyang gawing positive by multiplying both sides by negative 1. And the result is x minus 3y is equal to negative 15. And negative times negative, positive. And the negative times positive, negative. Negative times negative is negative. Or pwede din naman dito sa side na to, pwedeng si 3y yung ilagay natin dito. And then si 15 ilagay natin doon. So, that is, of course, negative 15 equals x minus 3y. Okay, same lang din to. And then, pag-interchange na lang sila. Paras lang din. Okay. So, pinapakita ko lang kung paano. Pero kung may mas madaling way, ayan siya. Okay, next. Y is equal to negative x plus 3. Okay, so, ano ba yung kailangan nating eliminate sa kabilang side? It's x. So, negative x siya. Anong opposite ng negative x? It's positive x. So, add lang natin both sides. Positive x, positive x. Then, of course, cancel na yung sa kabila. Ito, negative x at saka positive x. So, ang naiwan is x plus y is equal to 3. Okay? Ano pa yung possible na pwedeng gawin? Ito din. Ito, lipat mo dito. Kaya siya magiging positive x plus y is equal to, ano natira dito? 3. Okay, din yan. Paras lang din yan. Okay. Next. How about kapag parehas na denominator? Fraction. Minsan yung iba, pag nakakita na ng fraction, ayaw na nilang mag-solve. My dear, wag ganon. So ito siya kung paano siya mag-solve. Pindihin, makinig ka. Okay. So, kapag may ganito, ang first na gagawin mo is pansinin mo yung denominator nila, which is 3 and 4. And then next, find their LCD. Anong LCD ng 3 and 4? Pag sinabing LCD, saan sila unang magmi-meet? Okay, so maglista ka. 3, 6, 9, 12. And then next, 4, 8, 12. Okay, saan ba sila unang nag-meet? It's 12. Therefore, ang least common denominator nila is 12. So, yung 12 na yun, pandi-divide natin both sides. Okay? So, next is, i-divide na natin. Okay, so ito yung magiging result niya. Pero di-discuss ko kung bakit siya naging ganyan. So, 12 divided by, diba sabi ko may over 1 yan. So, 12 divided by 1 is still 12 times y, kaya siya 12y. Okay, so ito yung isang side. Next naman na side, dito tayo sa kabila. So, 12 divided by 3, 4 times 1, that is still 4 times x, kaya nakuha yung 4x. Next, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Multiplied by 3, kaya nakuha yung 9. Okay? Next is, of course, ita-transpose natin si 4x sa kabila. Okay, so that is negative 4x plus 12y is equal to 9. And since yung 4x natin, or yung a natin is negative, kailangan nating i-multiply lahat sila sa negative 1 para maging positive yung 4x natin. So, ayan siya. Bali, papalitan na lang nun yung sign ng mga nandito. Oh, it's negative 9. It's not positive. Ito, negative to. Ayan. Okay. So, dito pa lang pwede nang gawin yon dito. Pwedeng si 12y ilagay dito. And then, si 9 ilagay sa kabila. Kaya magiging siyang negative 9 is equal to 4x. Ayan. 4x minus 12y. Kapag binaliktad mo yan, this is 4x minus 12y is equal to negative 9, which is same dito. Okay. Next. How about kapag may na-encounter ka naman ganito? Okay, kapag ganito naman, huwag ka din kabahan. Madali lang din. Kinig ka lang. Madali lang. Okay, so, kapag ganito, okay, i-over 1 mo lang yung walang denominator. Or pwede naman kahit hindi na. Okay lang din. Kapag ganito yung na-encounter mo, ang gagawin lang dyan is cross multiplication. Okay? So, ayan siya. So, since cross multiplication, 3x plus 4 times 1 is equal to 5 times 2y. Or pwede ding mauna yung 2y times 5. Kahit ano dyan mauna pwede. Okay? So, ang inuna ko dyan is 3x plus 4 times 1. Of course, that is still 3x plus 4. And then, 2y times 5. Of course, that is 10y. Okay? So, ayan siya. 3x plus 4 is equal to 10y. And then, the next thing to do is transpose mo yung 10y dito and then si 4 naman dun sa kabila. So, kapag nagta-transpose, nag-iiba yung sign basta nadadaanan yung equal symbol. So, yung 10y na positive magiging negative. So, 3x minus 10y, then si 4 naging negative 4 siya. So, that is your final answer. Okay, next. Paano naman kapag ganito? 3x minus 5 is equal to... It's 3x minus 5 plus 6y. Okay, kapag ganyan, okay, ang gagawin mo, since nasa standard form tayo, may equal doon. So, mag-equal to 0 ka lang. And then, the next thing na gagawin mo is transpose mo dito yung constant. Ang constant natin is yung C or yung number lang, yung walang kasama variable. Okay, ano ba yung variable? Yung mga letter na may nasasama sa number. Okay? Okay, constant yun yung number lang. Ayan. So, yung negative 5, madadaanan yung ating equal sign. Siyempre, mag-iiba yung sign niya, it will become positive. So, therefore, ayan siya, papakita din dito. Lilipat mo doon. So, ang sagot is 3x plus 6y is equal to 5. Okay. Another. What about this one? 3 plus 2y minus x is equal to 0. So, ito, pag switch mo lang, and then, ang ililipat mo lang sa kabilang side is yung 3. So, magiging negative 3 siya. Ayan. Pero, ang ginamit dito is yung isang way, yung pag-eliminate ba? I know, pag-transfer. Ayan, pag-eliminate 3, and then 3 din sa kabila. Kasi nandito na yung x and 2y. So, ang kailangan lang nating eliminate, diba dito sa side na to, kailangan walang constant. Kaya yung constant yung eliminate natin. So, therefore, ito cancel na. So, ang naiwan is, siyempre yung 0 cancel na din. So, ang naiwan ay, ayan. And in third, ayan, pinag-switch na din natin yung 2y minus x yun. 2y minus x. And yun ay negative x plus 2y is equal to negative 3. And then, as much as possible again, yung a natin is not negative. Kaya, ayan, gagawin natin ay, multiply natin sila lahat ng negative 1. Okay, so, ayun. By distributive property, i-distribute natin lahat dyan. Negative 1 times x, so magiging positive, and negative times positive, magiging negative. And then this one, negative times negative, it will become positive. That's why the final answer is x minus 2y is equal to 3. Ayun!
Yeah.